to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Greetings and welcome to English Language Arts Grade 4. Our topic for today would be recognizing pronoun antecedent agreement. Okay, so let's discuss first what is an antecedent. An antecedent class would be the noun or the noun phrase that the pronoun replaces. Okay, remember how pronouns replaces nouns. Okay, so the nouns that the pronouns replaced would be the antecedent. Now, the antecedent usually is seen in the same sentence or in nearby sentences. And the pronoun always agrees with the antecedent, whether it depends if it's a person or a thing, or the number or the gender of the antecedent. So here's an example for you. Mr. Carpio conducts an orchestra. He has 40 musicians in his orchestra. Now, the underlined words in yellow are the pronouns. And the antecedent of these pronouns, he and his, are Mr. Carpio, the one underlined in blue. Okay, so with this example, right, the pronouns agree with the antecedent. Okay, he and his replaced Mr. Carpio. And he and his are pronouns used for males because Mr. Carpio there is a male, Mr. Okay, so here's a simple chart for you guys to remember, right? So if it's a singular, if the noun antecedent is singular and it's a female, you would use the pronouns she and her. If it's a singular male, you would have he and him. Okay? If it's singular and it's a thing or an animal, you would use it. Okay? If it's plural and it's persons or things, right? You would use they or them. All right? Here are more examples, okay? So, here in this example, the first one, all of the things were scattered. They weren't properly organized. Okay. Here, the pronoun that is used is they. Okay, it's underlined in yellow. And the antecedent is things. Okay, so remember, they and them are used even for things. Okay, whether they may be food or animals or objects, you would still use they and them. Here's another example, okay? The cats and dogs ran. The people tried to catch all of them. Here, again, the underlined pronoun here is them, right? And them replaced cats and dogs, right? So, again, they and them can be used for inanimate objects, things, animals, right? How about for some examples when you have two pronouns? Here's another example. Mrs. Sunshine cooked a dish. Everybody praised her for it. Now we have two pronouns here, her and it. Okay. Now, her is the pronoun and it replaced, or its antecedent is Mrs. Sunshine, because Mrs. Sunshine is a girl, is a woman, right? Therefore, you would use the pronoun her. And dish there is replaced by the pronoun it. Okay? So that pretty much summarizes the recognizing pronoun and antecedent agreement.